Hello. On behalf of the TJ R&D department, I am delighted to introduce our new product, Hot Air ABS Edgebanding. This edge banding is applied without extra glue, as the back comes a functional layer applied in our factory. In short, edge and functional adhesive are combined into one product. To understand how it works, we first need to look at the traditional edge banding method. In traditional use, glue is melted in the machine pot and applied to the edge. This brings extra steps like glue pots, cleaning, and inconsistent glue amounts. In our product, the glue layer is applied in our factory at a controlled thickness and uniform density across every meter. The user simply reactivates this layer with hot air to press the edge banding onto the panel. We developed this functional glue layer in our own lab. Built on a copolymer structure, it contains special polymers with functional additives. These form strong bonds with hydroxyl groups on chipboard or MDF, creating a solid connection at a molecular level, not just surface adhesion. At the same time, we optimize the formula to remain stable at room temperature and melt smoothly under hot air to wet the surface effectively. While creating this balance, we took special care not to add any unnecessary ingredients to the final formula. A striking result of this approach is the completely functional layer. With its adaptable color in the formula, the glue line is invisible, allowing the edge banding's natural color and texture to remain intact. White edge banding remain pure white, while wood pattern preserve full color integrity. The result is a clean, aesthetic, and completely hassle-free look. Our primary goal was for the edge banding to fit perfectly and maintain long-term performance against moisture. Results from our peel tests show the bond formed is stronger than the material itself, providing reliable, long-lasting adhesion performance that is the goal of many furniture makers. Hot Air ABS edge banding was developed in TJ R&D lab, using our own expertise and engineering infrastructure. Our top priority is creating practical, manufacturable solutions that offer consistent quality in every run. Hot Air ABS edge banding with this special functional layer is the latest example of this approach.